red chili powder, turmeric powder, red chili flakes, cumin powder, coriander powder, chaat masala, salt. 2 cup wheat flour. A half teaspoon salt. 2 teaspoon ghee. 2 teaspoon oil. Mix it well. Some water. Make a dough. Hara Dhaniya, Pudina, ginger, green chili, garlic, salt, sugar, roasted jeera powder, Aloo bhujia. Pour some oil, let it warm. Add cumin seeds. Add fennel seeds. A half teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 1 teaspoon chaat masala. A half teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. A half teaspoon red chili flakes.
Subscribe.
Now salt. Boiled moong dal. Boiled and mashed potato. Some Hara Dhaniya. Can do like this for shape, where closing water is used.
Subscribe.
Fry on medium to high flame.
Subscribe.
Serve and enjoy.
Subscribe. Like, comment, share.